Today we have the new vaulted. Now we have the new vaulted weapon. So let's go and use it. Yo. There. Dang it! Wow. Yeah. Ooh. Well, that was so easy. That's what we say. Yeah. Wow, so lag. Oh, I actually boink. Yeah. My luck is incredible. Yeah. Books. Bah! Bruno fail. But DWN how? Yeah! You thought I would die that easily, huh? And I got flinged. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, baby, yeah. Oh, damn. Say hi to Jesus for me. Oh wait, no, I'm the one who's actually saying hi to Jesus now. Oh, no, and I'm dead. I think I need to buy more dishes for $100. Nah, I ain't wasting my Robux.
Ilan na lang Robux mo lang? Ilan na lang? Sabi na lang yan.
10. Joke lang.
Ano binili mo?
Wala, hindi 10. Di ko alam.
Pero ano binili mo?
Wala pa.
Ano ba gusto mong bilhin?
Di ko nga alam kasi nga kapag inano ko.
Kulang?
101 di ayaw ko i-waste.
Pero kasi na yung Robux na yun.
Yes.
Kasi na yun, ha?
Yes. Guys. Who can help me eat on the normal?
Ano ba lang gusto ko? Blender, air fryer,
Wow, sorry.
Yung alternative ba tingnan ko ng third card? Atin pala to? Sa bukod pag-isip mo, mag-almusal ka ng donuts, ha?
Sige.
Hindi daw to eh.
Ha?
Ha? Sabi ko, girl.
Bakit?
Ano na?
Let me see you do your teapot dance with me. All right, here we go. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Very good. Eat.
Baka hindi raw, mahirap ibigay mga single. Okay, hindi na kami magluluto. Baka pa siya. Bili ka na nakapag-trade na ako. Laguna to Cavite. Mahirap. Okay, hindi na kami magluluto. Baka magpasyal na lang namin si Tenten. Bili ka na, nakapag-trade na ako. Laguna to Cavite, to Bulacan, Puli. Tapos balik na Laguna. Kaya mo nang tayo, kaya bili ka na sa sakyan. Kaya bili ka na sa sakyan.
Okay, let's go.
Basta automatic.
I'll cut this. Bye.